Hello students, let us try to solve some problem from the surface chemistry. And dear student, this is the solve problem actually I am trying to give from the Akash Institute, I think. So, what are the problem student and what type of problem asked in the exam? Let us try to understand students, okay, from the surface chemistry. The question number 1 is there, which is the incorrect statement student, okay. Heat of physical adsorption is 20 to 40 kilojoule. That is correct student. Heat of adsorption of physical absorption is 20 to 40 kilojoule, while the for the chemisorption is 80 to 240 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so this is absolutely correct. Chemical adsorption is specific because the specific type of the bond is getting formed student. That is why chemical adsorption is always specific in nature, dear student. Now what we have to understand, let us try to go for the next one. So dear student, third problem was physical adsorption is reversible. Physical adsorption is reversible. So this is a universal student. Physical adsorption is universal, so that there is no bond is formation, not specific, so that anytime the gas molecule can come, adsorb, and temperature increases, it will escape. Again temperature decreases, the molecule can adsorb. So this is again correct. Okay, this is 3 correct. Physical adsorption takes place at very high temperature. No, the temperature for physical adsorption is less student. So our required answer will be fourth student. See here what the answer they have given. Physical adsorption is endothermic process and low temperature is favored. Okay, the variation of physical adsorption decreases with increase in temperature. So here what is they have given endothermic student, this is the exothermic. Okay, so wrong explanation they have given. Physical adsorption is exothermic process and low temperature is favored for the exothermic process. Okay, this is the again exothermic. So in the Akash Institute you can see that is how they have easy question, they did the mistakes, right student. Now the question number 2, you see, which gas is adsorbed easily at the solid surface? Which gas is adsorbed easily at the solid surface? Okay, so the gas which can be easily liquefied, okay, can easily adsorb. Okay, so dear student, let us see. SO gas has high critical temperature due to which it can easily liquefied, and easily liquefiable gas can easily adsorb. So here SO2 is having the high critical temperature, so the making it in the liquid form, it is very easy, okay, compared to other gas. Now the correct option is option number 1 is 12. The rate of adsorption of gas greater when the pressure increased. Rate of adsorption of gas is greater when pressure is increased. Okay, so dear students, what the point they are saying, rate of adsorption is greater when pressure is increased. For low range of pressure, for high range of pressure, for moderate range of pressure, for very high, for every range of pressure. The correct option is for the low range of pressure student. Rate of adsorption of gas greater when the pressure is low. Okay, so let us have a look over the student. Here they have given students, if the pressure is low, less pressure is there, so you can check it out student. Here the mode is there, but when it increases the pressure, adsorption becomes the saturated. Okay, so that is at low pressure adsorption is more. Okay student, so it is clear from the above graph that adsorption of gas is greater when pressure is increased in low range of pressure. So correct option is option number 1, dear student. You can check from the graph student, then you will be able to understand easily. From Freundlich adsorption isotherm, which is the correct? Freundlich adsorption isotherm, that is a straight line graph student. So this is a straight line graph, but here if you are saying this is not correct, because intercept is not there, intercept is missing. But here this is the reverse one. Okay, decreasing order, this is wrong. Now we have to see this one. So this is not The correct option is option number 2, because Freundlich's adsorption isotherm was given in the term of log. So the equation of adsorption x by m kPa 1 by n, and taking log both side, you are getting this one, and this is the y is equal to, okay, mx plus c. So this is a straight line graph. So graph between x by m and log p is a straight line having m is equal to 1 by n and y intercept of log k. Dear students, now let us move for the question number 5. For Legmier adsorption isotherm, which is correct? For Legmier adsorption isotherm, which is correct? So if you, dear student, if you talk about the Legmier adsorption isotherm, so you will find that is the, it is also a straight line graph with the intercept. So this is not correct. This is not the 1 by p, student, direct p, x by m p. So correct option is this is also, if you talk about, this is also not correct, dear student. Okay, the correct option is option number 4. See, none of the graph will indicating Legmier adsorption isotherm. Why? See the graph, students. What is the Legmier adsorption isotherm? Slope is 1 by a, intercept b by a, m by x, and 1 by m. Actually it is x by m. So this is what is our required answer, students. Option number 4 is correct. Which is not an application of adsorption? Purification of water by exchange to create vacuum, chromatographic analysis, artificial rain. So which is not an application of adsorption? Purification water is not, purification of water by exchange of, by its exchange is not the example. Okay, in gas mask no adsorption takes place. In gas mask, this is wrong. Whatever they have given, student, Akash Institute, that is totally the fraud answers they have given. Which is not application of a purification of water by its exchange is the correct. Purification is not the adsorptions. Next one. Which method of preparation of sol involve chemical reaction, student? Hydrolysis itself is the chemical reaction. Mechanical no, exchange no, all of these no. So sol are prepared by hydrolysis. Like ferric chloride is there, it is giving the ferric hydroxide salt, that is chemical process. At a certain value of pH, amino acid does not migrate towards any of the electrode under the influence of electric field. This pH indicate isoelectric point. If the pH is isoelectric point, so that is it will not move at any of the direction. So under the influence of electric field, amino acid does not migrate toward any of the electrode, and it contains positive and negative ion and is called the isoelectric point. Arsenic sulfide colloidal solution obtained by arsenic oxide and H2S, which is diffused part is sulfide ions. Okay, the reaction of H2S is the colloidal medium, that is the diffuse phase is the S2 minus. This is actually example of double decomposition, so that is correct answer. Fixed part of the colloidal solution of AgI, respectively AgI minus, AgI, Ag plus, is presence of what? Ki plus AgNO3, Ki and AgNO3. Okay, so correct option is option number E, and this is the option number 2 is also, both are correct, student. Okay, so AgI plus Ki, AgI minus, AgI, AgNO3, AgI, Ag plus. The fixed part of AgI minus and AgI, Ag plus. So 1, 2 are both correct. 1 mole of the AgI, Ag plus sol is coagulated by 100 ml of 1 molar K2SO4. Okay, here talking about 1 mole. So 100 ml K2SO4, this is positive salt. So 100 ml is not required, half ml is required. So Fe2 plus, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. So that is the correct option is option number 4, because half mole of the positive charge, if the di positive ion is there, half mole is required here. 1 mole of any positive salt cannot be helpful, negative only required. So sulfate ion is there, it is the like that. So AgI Ag plus is there, K2SO4, 1 mole of AgI Ag plus half mole of K2SO4 is required. So this is all about the answer. Thank you so much for watching, dear student. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel.